Hello guys, today is a very cold day and the town is whole freeze and I'm really cold. I'm wearing my gloves and also I have to show you something. It's really freezing. If it's really cold. That's why I'm wearing my jacket. And it's a very cold day. And the sun's coming, so I'm getting a bit warm. And you know that. And I gotta show you something else. It's a very beautiful thing. It's so cold, that's why I'm wearing gloves. Every hats, gloves, jackets, scarf, everything. And it's so freezing. Even the trees don't have any leaves or just the branches left with the trees. See? No leaves. There are shops and we buy some food and they were for free. My mom made some sandwiches. They were toast. And we sit down somewhere and eat. And it's so amazing. And there's a ground, so freezing, I can't hold it. You know, there's also a ground. It's so beautiful. I really love this. And the grass, it's so soft. It's like I'm feeling that I am on squishy mud. Just like, you know, mud. It's so squishy. And also, there's a big tower. You know the Big Ben? The Big Ben with a clock in it. Up so high. It's so beautiful here. So these are the tombs of dead people that are buried here. And it's very interesting. You know, some are kings and queens, but not all. There are more. This also. And this, the bell rings. So these are more tombs. I need to show you them. So there's a long one here and another. There's a lot of tombs here. And you know there are buried people that are dead here. Can you guess what's inside? I don't know even what's inside, you know. Look, a squirrel. Want to see something else? It's interesting. You know, I never seen this place before. But now I came with my mom and dad and my sisters to this place. It's a very nice place. I really love to stay here, but we can't stay here. It's so interesting here. This is the most interesting place I ever seen. I never came here. Super amazing. You know, it's cold and cool. So now, want to see some pigeons? They're beautiful, cool, and cute. Cute pigeons. It's muddy a bit. I don't like to step on mud at all. Who would have to... Aw, I see something. It's a little squirrel. Take a look. So this is a squirrel. It's cute, but it's scared. Want to see something else? Let's run. Running is fun. I really feel I want to touch a squirrel, but we can't take a squirrel. They have homes. So, I'm going shopping, so I gotta go. Bye. Subscribe to my videos. Love you. Goodbye.